Thanks to Brandon at Magnolia Tire Pros and Auto Service for the professional installation of our Speedy Strut Complete Strut Assemblies by Sensen. We always recommend you go to a professional for this type of repair. However, this replacement was fairly simple with the right tools. Today, we are replacing a set of front complete strut assemblies on a 2012 Nissan Quest. This set fits the 2011 to 2017 Quest all models. We recommend using Speedy Struts by Sensen when replacing your worn out struts. Speedy Strut Complete Strut Assemblies by Sensen come with a limited lifetime warranty. Sensen uses OE grade coil springs and strut mounts with premium grade bearings. All Speedy Struts are assembly tested for vehicle fitment accuracy and come in high quality premium packaging. Better components, better processes, and better quality. Speedy Strut is the better option. Some of the tools needed for this installation include a 19mm socket to remove the wheel lug nuts and 18mm socket to remove the sway bar link. Here you'll also need vice grips to hold the nut from spinning, a 21mm socket and wrench to remove the two bottom bolts, and a 13mm socket for the top three nuts. These are in a difficult location to reach. You will also need a hammer or mallet and a screwdriver for the brake hose clip.
You got 5 19mm. Then you got your brake flex hose. Your ABS wire. Then you got a pair of vice grips. You got a 21mm, you got an 18mm. You got two 21mm. And then you got 3 13mm. 3 13mm. you got your 313 millimeters. You got your 21 millimeter bolts. Then you got your ABS wire. Your brake hose. And then you got your sway bar link. 18 millimeter. Your 19 millimeters.
This concludes our front complete strut assemblies installation on a 2012 Nissan Quest. Be sure to look for our rear strut installation video for this vehicle. Thanks for watching, and thanks to Brandon at Magnolia Tire Pros and Auto Service for their professional installation.